Hello everyone, Lucas from Liquidtool. We are currently at INNOTEQ in Bern, Switzerland, and I'm going to take you for a walk through the show. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go see some cool things. Let's go. First cool thing I got to show you guys is the Haas F1 car. I mean, bad start to the season for them, but hey, it's an F1 car here in Bern. So here at the INNOTEQ show in Bern, we have companies from all over the world. There are quite a few companies that are here directly from Switzerland, but they are here to show off their innovations, the new technologies they have, and what their top products are. Let's go take a look. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the Liquidtool booth, as we also have a new solution that is coming. As you guys can see, our booth is popping today. We have a couple of our sales guys and our engineers talking about the Liquidtool solution with some customers. Let's go take a look. Here you can see our AutoPilot solution with the extender attached to the Sensor 01 and the smart filler which is sitting on top of the blazer barrel. Coolant is a very important part of machining. It makes sure that your finish quality is very good, as well as your tool life lasts long. Blazer is one of the highest qualities that you can get in Switzerland and around the world. It is a Swiss-made product, and we care about our qualities. Let's take a look. The booth to the left of me, you see different kinds of watch material. These parts also incorporate the same in the medical industry, as they are tiny parts that are CNC machined. Some of you might think how we actually get these CNC machines in our shop. This is just one example of how they actually can get in the shop with these massive moving cranes. We are in Switzerland. As you can see behind me, the metalworking industry and the CNC industry is for everything. Behind me is joint and orthopedic implants. It's pretty nifty. We have everything from CNC machines, coolant companies, to tool builders, tool manufacturers, and everything else along the lines. It is also not just metalworking, which you do see here. I'll show you in the showcase. Lots of things are also 3D printed. You have 3D printed in metal as well as different kinds of plastics. It depends on what you're trying to manufacture and machine. So as you can see, that is INNOTEQ, and that's kind of what these machining shows look like. Let's go take a look at a bike and ride our way out of here.